Almost 5 o'clock here for more Blizzard Colbie coverage, and nothing too intense right now, but snow is starting to pick up just before sunset, and car going through there. But yeah, not too much together. We're gonna see, does a band set up here, does it not? That's going to be the question. But visibility is coming down. It's very light snow, so even though it's not adding up too much, but already almost an inch on the ground, or about an inch I would say, but the visibility is already kind of reducing. You can tell there's a lot of potential, even though reflectivities on radar are clearly. A 11 p.m. update on Blizzard Colbie, and now it's really starting to kick in. Yeah, we're getting those reduced visibilities. We always look at those street lights, and it's kind of hard to see the lights. There are 3 lights in the far distance. We're only seeing 2 of them, so the third one is getting obscured. And yeah, this doesn't come out good in the video, but we're starting to get those. This is after 2:30 a.m. It's peak of the blizzard, and here comes another gust. Morning update, still heavy, but we did miss out on the worst with the snowfall here. My neighbor got about 9.5 inches measured. So mostly eastern Connecticut got the band, and this is what it looks like. We still have light snow with a little bit of sun out. There's has just about come to an end, and the sun is setting here for Blizzard Colbie. However, we may get a little wraparound snow, with snow still continuing in eastern Mass and Rhode Island, so there might even be a little snow coming our way.